Vedant Publication and the entire team of Vedant Publication has taken an initiative to organize an international conference, bringing all these scholars and researchers at the one platform. It's a very nice initiative, and now when we see that in the coming years, in the terms of research and innovation, we need to give more and more efforts in research and innovation. Vedant Publication has always been known for doing creative things. More important thing is that what they have decided for the noble cause, that whatever amount they are going to get from this conference, they are going to donate each and every amount to those who have suffered from the coronavirus or who are in help, who are needy. This noble idea makes your conference a successful. We don't know what the situation is going to be, but this is the fact that now we can think that this is a reopening again. This is going to be a fresh start, a new start, something where we need to do something which makes us different from others. There are 200 plus participants that I heard, that those who are going to participate in this conference from 10 countries and almost from every state of India. 6 keynote speakers are going to be there, and I wish that those who will put their research paper and those who are going to take part in this conference, I wish them all the very best, and also urge to everyone that spend your time in more and more doing more research and more innovations. That's how we can help to the entire world in the coming years. Once again, I congratulate, I wish you all the very best, and of course your conference is going to be the successful, and I wish you all the very best for this conference, and congratulate entire team of Vedant Publication for doing such a noble work. Thank you.